Good day, everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is El Maestro. How are you guys? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. And may panibago tayong topic na pag-uusapan ngayon. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung product rule of the law of exponents. Okay? So if you're ready, sit back, relax, get your pen, notebook, and paper. And let's do this. Okay. So, law of exponents and specifically pag-uusapan natin yung product rule. Okay? Ayon sa product rule, by definition, sabi niya, when multiplying exponential expressions that have the same base, take note of that, pagkapareho yung base, all we need to do is we have to copy the base and add their exponents. Okay? So, lahat ng exponents nila i-add natin kapag magkapareho yung base nila. Okay? So, let's represent this one as this. Let's say, for example, we have a raised to the power of n. So, meaning we have an exponential form a raised to the power of n. Okay? Then, multiply it by another exponential, which is a raised to the power of m. Multiplied. So, take note of this. Tingnan natin na the same yung base nila. Right? Magkapareho yung base, di ba? Itong exponential na to, yung base niya is A. Ito naman is yung base niya is A. So, according to the definition, pag the same yung base, yung gagawin natin is just simply copy the base, yung common base nila. So, meaning, that is equal to copy the A. Kasi yun yung magkapareho, yun yung the same nila na base. So, we just have to copy that one. Then, ang sabi niya, we have to add the exponents. So, yung exponent ng isa is n, yung exponent ng isa is m, i-add natin. So, simply, that is n plus m. Alright, so, this is how you do product rule. And ito na yung magiging guiding principle natin in multiplying two exponential expression that has or that have, say, the same bases. Okay? So, ito yung gagawin natin. So, let's have an example. Let's say, for example, we have x squared times x to the fifth. That is equal to, again, tingnan natin kung magkapareho yung base. Okay, since they have the same base, sabi sa definition, copy the base, then add their exponents, which is 2 plus 5. Okay, nakuha nyo? So, tingnan nyo, ito na yung magiging principle, guiding principle natin in solving this one. So, that is equal to x, 2 plus 5 is 7. So, that is x raised to the power of 7. Therefore, x squared times x to the fifth is equal to x to the power of 7. Okay, this is a very simple example. And we'll have another one. So, let's say, for example, you have 2x squared times 3x raised to the power of negative 4. Anong gagawin natin? That is equal to, if na-notice yung baka magtataka kayo, na this time, meron tayong number, merong 2 and 4, dito wala. Okay? So, don't worry, ang gagawin nyo lang, since meron tayong coefficient, okay, alam na natin to, na yung katabi ng variable natin, the number, or the integer na katabi niya is what we call the coefficient. So, all you have to do, i-multiply mo lang separately yung mga coefficient. Okay? So, gagawin natin yan. So, that is 2 times 3. Separately. Okay? So, after that, then we will now apply this principle to our variable. So, we have x and x here, which is magkapareho yung base. Okay? So, we copy that one. Then, you add the exponents. So, that is 2 plus, take note, na yung exponent natin dito is negative, so we add that by negative 4. Okay? So, our answer now is, we simplify 2 times 3, that is 6, x raised to the power of 2 plus negative 4, again, unlike sign, pag unlike sign, you subtract, then you copy the sign of the greater value, which is nasa negative 4. So, the answer is negative 2. So, 6x raised to the power of negative 2. And if you are confused, paano ginawa to? you can visit my channel. Meron tayong separate video on how to add and subtract integers. Alright? So, wag na kayong maya. Visit my YouTube channel. Okay? So, our answer now is 2x squared, or if we multiply 2x squared by 3x raised to the power of negative 4, the product is 6x raised to the power of negative 2. Alright. Nakuha? Okay, let's have another example. Medyo tricky naman. Okay? So, what if ito? So, we have 3x squared, y squared. So, meaning involved dalawang variable na. Meron tayong x squared, meron tayong y squared, meron pa tayong coefficient. And it is multiplied by, again, the same. Dalawang variables din. So, don't worry, huwag kayong matakot or wag kayong mangamba because ito pa din yung susundin natin. Yung magkapareho ng base, yun lang yung i-add natin na exponents. And if merong coefficient, the same thing sa ginawa natin dito. We multiply the coefficient separately. So, let's do this. So, that is equal to, so we have 3 and negative 4. So, we multiply that one. So, we have 3 times negative 4. So, we're done. Next. So, dito naman tayo. Okay? So, since we have variable x here raised to the power of 2, then we have variable x raised to the power of 3, the same base, right? Since they have the same base, you copy that one, then you add their exponents. So, that is 2 plus 3. Okay? So, we're done with that. Dito naman tayo sa y. Okay? The same yung base nila. So, all we need to do is copy the base, then add their exponents. 2 plus 6. Nakita nyo? So, regardless, kahit maraming variable yan, so kung meron siyang kapareho sa kabila, just simply copy their bases and add their exponents. Pag may kapareho. Pag wala naman, then, just leave it as it is. Okay? Nakuha? Okay, so let's simplify. That is equal to 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12. Then x raised to the power of 2 plus 3, that is x to the 5th. And we have y raised to the power of 2 plus 6, that is y to the 8th. Okay? So, therefore, 3x squared, y squared times negative 4, x cubed, y to the 6, that is equal to negative 12, x to the 5th, y to the 8th. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan kayo. But before we leave this video, I'll give you one example. Okay? I'll give you one problem, which is negative 2x cubed, z to the 4th, multiplied by negative 3x7 to the 7, and z to the 5th. Okay? So, I'll give you time to solve this one. Maybe 2 minutes. Okay? 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then we will check your answer if tama siya. So, ang gagawin nyo, in my count of 3, you pause the video. For the meantime, i-pause nyo yung video, you get your pen and your pencil, then you answer this problem. Okay? So, ano kaya yung product if we multiply these two exponential expressions? Okay? So, by the count of 3, you pause the video. 3, 2, 1, pause the video. Alright, welcome back. So, assuming na na-post nyo yung video and you have your answer with you na, okay, tama? So, siguro 2 minutes, 3 minutes yung na-consume nyo, no? So, we will check your answer if tama. Alright, so let's continue this video. So, again, the same thing na ginawa natin kanina. So, that is negative 2. Since merong mga coefficient, then we multiply the coefficient. Negative 2 times negative 3. Then, multiply those with the same bases. So, we have x cubed and x to the 7. So, copy x. Add 3 plus 7. Right. 3 plus 7. Next, we have z. And we have z here, which means magkapareho yung base. So, copy z. And you add 4 plus 5. Then, let's simplify. Negative 2 times negative 3, that is positive 6. Then we have x raised to the power of 3 plus 7, that is 3 raised to the power of 10. And z raised to the power of 4 plus 5, which is equal to z raised to the power of 9. Okay? So, tama ba yung answer natin? The same ba tayo ng sagot? So, I hope so. Nakuha nyo tong problem na to. Okay, guys? I hope you learned something from this video. Maraming salamat. Therefore, negative 2x cubed z to the 4 times negative 3x to the 7th z to the 5th. If we multiply that one, the result or the product will be 6x raised to the power of 10, z raised to the power of 9. Okay? Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Again, sana may natutunan kayo. If you have something na gusto nyong pag-usapan natin, if you have some topic na gusto mong gawa natin ng video, please don't forget, don't be shy, comment it down below. Gagawa natin yung mga problem nyo, gagawa natin ng video para matulungan natin kayo. Okay? But before leaving this video, please like this video, share it with your friends and classmates, and please don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell button para always tayo updated. Alright? So, thank you for watching, guys. This is El Maestro. God bless you all.